Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Upwork payment methods for faster freelance payouts step by step clearly. To connect your Upwork payment methods for faster freelance payouts, first, log into your Upwork account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu located at the top right of your dashboard. From the drop-down, select Get Paid to access your payment method options. You will see a section titled Payment Methods. Click on the button that says Add Payment Method. Choose your preferred payment method. Upwork offers various options, including direct bank transfer, PayPal, and Payoneer. If you select direct bank transfer, you will need to enter your bank account details. Be sure to provide accurate information to avoid any delays with your payouts. For PayPal, you'll need to log into your PayPal account to link it with Upwork. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Upwork and PayPal. If you choose Payoneer, you will need to create an account if you don't have one already. After creating your Payoneer account, return to Upwork to link it. Follow the instructions provided on Upwork to complete the. Once you have added your payment method, verify that all the information is correct. It's essential to ensure everything is accurate to prevent any issues with future transactions. After verifying your details, click on Save Changes to finalize your payment method setup. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully added. Now, you can easily receive your freelance payouts through your chosen method. For faster payouts, consider using direct bank transfer, as it often processes more quickly than other options. Regularly check your payment settings to ensure your information remains up to date. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Upwork payments are processed smoothly and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.